Hello and welcome to this video session. My name is Mahmoud and this time I just came up with a demo or the showcase video of the project which I'm currently working on. So this basically you can see my browser is running this localhost 8080 and there is some endpoint like the URI path. When I call this path, I basically return the JSON object which I just defined in my source code, which I'm going to show you right away. And if I open my Eclipse, but before that I can also show you this is I'm using this MySQL database or workbench, which basically used to store the data which I'm using uh, with some static, at the moment it's a static data set, and using some sort of method functionality and storing this data to here to this database. So here, for example, I have a database empdb, and here I have a different tables. For example, let's see, for example, this data type, and this data type we have, I selected and click this button to run this SQL query to see what this table data has. So at the moment they have only 1 2 3 4 data sets, and if I go back into my Eclipse environment, here you can see that I have nicely organized the project into different parts, packages, containing different type of codes. For example, the controller code, the model classes, the repository, and the services. So that's how I organize the code, which I will also explain in the next video, a very detailed video how I all this implemented. So, but basically here you can see that this object here, this data type. This is the object. This is defined in the model package. And here basically I am calling this set access method on this and setting some values that are defined based on the parameters defined in the class. And when I run this program, for example, I'm taking this button here to relaunch the application by stopping first and then restart the application and see what happens. Remember, I showed you the MySQL workbench with 4 entries in the table data table. And what happens when I rerun this SQL query again? And you can see that the one record is added with the new ID. So that's how you can, like, this is what this project is doing. And but this is still under processing, but as soon as I finish this project, and I will be able to create a new very detailed video on every aspect of this source code, what I defined here, how I defined here, and all that kind of things I will explain in my next videos. Until then, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or questions, you feel free to write them in the comment section below. And yeah, hit like, share with your friends, and stay in touch or follow for the upcoming videos. Until then, thank you for watching and see you then. Bye bye.